But if you look at this question, there's something that you need to understand is that in this question particularly, you have been told that your range is from x is greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to what? Similarly, you also know that your equation is 5 cos 2x is equal to 2. Now, looking at the equation, what are we going to do is 5 cos 2x is equal to 2. Can I say cos 2x is equal to 2 upon 5? Right? And what we're going to do is we're going to solve cos inverse 2 upon 5. When we will solve cos inverse 2 upon 5, I will be getting what? We shall be getting the basic angle. We will be getting what? Basic angle. Can I have the value for this? Cos inverse 2 upon 5 is 66.4. Is cos positive or negative? Positive. Cos is positive. Can I say cos is always positive in the first and the fourth quadrant? So can I say first and the fourth quadrant? So my first quadrant is 66.4. The last basic angle will also be 66.4. So these will be the two basic angles. First quadrant 66.4, last quadrant 66.4. Can I say, moving anti-clockwise, my first angle should be what? 66.4. My second angle should be what? 360 minus 66.4. Do you agree? Can I have the answer for this? 66.4, comma 360 minus 66 is 290.6. If you note that my range was given already, that was x is greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 180. If the range is given to x for normal basic angle, these two will be my answer. Will these two will be my answer? No. Only what? 66.4 will become the answer only. 66.4 will become the answer only for the normal circumstances, right? But since I have been given 2x, that means these two angles will be equated by what? 2x. And then I will divide both of the angle by 2 because of the given value. Can I say x value is 33.2 and this will be 146.8. Do I see that after solving 2x, both of the answer got into what? The range of x greater than what? 0, less than equal to what? 180. So that means whenever the question simplifies and gives me any value with the respective x, we will be solving basic angle, but we will be solving basic angle more than the range that is required. More than the range that is required. Now, example to the same question. The question was cos 2x, 5 cos 2x, and was equal to what? 2. Now I'm increasing the range. I'm increasing the range till what? 360. We already found out that cos 2x is equal to 2 upon 5. 2x was cos inverse 2 upon 5. Your basic angle was 66.4. Same thing what we did above. Your first quadrant, your second quadrant. This is 66.4. This is also 66.4. You agree to this, right? We gave enough time to understand basic angle. Now, the first answer is 66.4. The second answer was 293.6. Now, you need to understand that when I divide 66.24, I get 33.2. And when I divide 293.6, I will be getting 146.8. But my range has increased now. My range has increased. That particularly means that I have to solve, I need to find my basic angle beyond 360 now. I need to solve or find basic angle beyond 360 so that when I divide by 2, those answers also come between what? 360 when dividing by 2. So can I say that my first angle, since it was 66, my second angle was what? 290. Now to find the third angle, what I'll be doing is I'll be solving from here. I'll be rotating directly. I'll be crossing this as well. And then I'll go till here. That means I will be touching the basic angle again. But after the rotation of what? 360. So that means the third angle that you will be finding will be 360 plus 66.4. Do you agree? The third angle will be 360 plus 66.4. But obviously, I will also be finding what? My fourth angle. I'll be starting my fourth angle right from here. I'll cross the first, I'll cross the second basic angle, then I'll cross the third basic angle as well. And then I'll cross the third basic angle to go to what? My fourth basic angle line. So after 360 rotation, and again 360 rotation will become what? 720. Can I say my fourth angle will be 720 minus 66.4? So the first answer was 66.4. Your second answer is 293.6. Your third answer is 426.4. And my fourth answer is 653.6. And these all angles are basically what? With the equation of what? 2x. Can I say all the answers will be divided by 2? This will be 33.2. This will be 146.8. And this will be 213.2. Is this between the range of 360 now? Then again 653.6 divided by 326.8. Is this between the range as well? So that means my all answers are between the range of 0 to what? 360. You need to understand one more thing. How are you going to figure out that till what particular angle I need to find out the basic angle concept, or I'll be applying the basic angle concept. This, can you see this cos 2x? What does this cos 2x represent? That represents the cycle. That represents the cycle. That particularly means if I just draw a cos diagram, so that means this would be 45, this would be 90, this would be 135, this would be 180, 225, 270, 315, and 360. My basic angle, my maximum value is 1 and the minimum value is -1. If I draw my cos graph will be something like this, the first one, right? And then again, it will be my second graph will be like this. Do you agree? Now, in terms of solutions, how many solutions will I have for cos? Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means when I have cos 2x, and the range is from x is greater than 0, less than equal to what? 360. My solutions will be how many? There would be 4 solutions to the given range. If my range is dropped till 180, how many solutions will I have? I will have 2 solutions. That means similar to what we have here, 33.2 and 148. But obviously, this 33.2 and 146.8 is not represented by this. In this particular solution, what would be the answer? 45, 135, 225, and 315. That means if I want to have solutions of 2x, if I want to have solutions of what? Cos 2x, that means these are the solutions: 45, 35, 225, and 315. But since the question was It was 5 cos 2x is equal to what? 2 or 3? It was 2. So can I say, since it was 2, now can I say 5 cos 2x minus 2 should be equal to 0? Can I represent this by y? That means this becomes my equation. 5 cos 2x minus 2. This is a cos bx plus c. Do you agree? So that means now we can graphically represent this as well. What can we do? We can graphically represent this as well. And how are we going to graphically represent this? We already know that cos 2x. Can I say maximum value is what? 1. So 5, 1 minus 2. Now the maximum value will be, minimum value is minus 1. 5 minus 1 minus 2 is equal to what? Minus 7. And the x-axis is what? 0. 5, 0 minus 2. That means now it goes up to what? Minus 2. So if I draw up my graph, minus 2. Now if I draw up my graph, knowing the values 1, 2, 3, this will be 3. Knowing the values that 1, 2, this is minus 2, this is imaginary what? X-axis, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 7. Can I particularly say that my original axis, how many cycles do I have? 2. I'll drop from what? 45, 90, 135, 180, 225, 270, 315, 360. Will these be the values that I'll be using? Right? Can I see that maximum when I used to have? Now I am going to have what? 3. So this is my maximum value. Do you agree? It used to intercept at what? 45. Now it will intercept here at x-axis. Do you agree? It used to cut from what? 90 at the minimum. Now the 90 will be where? Here. Similarly, 135. Do you agree to this? Can I say this becomes what? 180. And if I draw my graph slightly like this, it goes towards what? It goes from 135 towards what? 180. Do you agree? Can I say my other graph will be represented through, this will be 225, 270, 315. The other graph is like this. It crosses and it will go like this. Considering the graph pattern that we are going to follow, if you look into this, your first answer was what? 33.2. So can I say the original x-axis now? Is this before 33.2? Now, the second answer was 146 point. Is this after 135? This is after. The third answer would be what? 213. Obviously, it is after what? 180 and before. So this is 213. And the last answer is what? 326. After 315, if you look. So this is what? 326. So that means whenever you will draw the graph, you will get to know that when the original x-axis intercept, the four solutions that you will get are on the original x-axis of the graph. The original x-axis of the graph.